What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make some thick pork chops on the truck. First we start by adding some salt and rubbing it around it. Then you add this seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. This is the one I use. Add the seasoning to it, then rub it with your hands. Make it go inside the meat so the meat absorbs the flavor. It should look like this when you're done. This is how my chops were looking, with the salt and all the spices. So then you preheat your stove, use olive oil, country crock, and then my dog waiting for her share. I got my rice ready. So let's turn it over. If you guys don't know how to make rice, I can show you how to make rice too. It's really easy. Once the oil is hot, you can throw the chops in it. Leave it there for a good 15 minutes on each side. I'll do 10 if you like it medium. I like it medium well, so I do 15 minutes on each side. This is when you turn it over to the other side. Now you leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes before you add the butter. So it will absorb the butter on this side that is still not completely seared. It will start to absorb this butter, and then on the other side when you turn it over, it'll get buttery too. But it's better if you only do it for like one side. I always do it for one side. You can put the butter first if you want from two sides, but the butter could get burned. So if the butter could gets burned, then you're gonna have a sour taste. So it's better if you leave the butter for last. Then you cut the onion, put in some onions inside. We're gonna use some garlic too. Once you get your onions, they start burning. They get caramelized with the butter and the olive oil. Then you throw in some garlics. I don't really smash them up because I don't like the strong garlic flavor. I just like a little additive to it. Since the spices already had garlic, I'm only gonna be using this amount of garlic, and I'm not gonna be smashing it too much or anything that'll give too much flavor. I just wanted to catch that little flavor of the garlic. So here we turn it over again, so this side will get the flavor from the butter and the garlic and the onions as well. And then you leave it for a good another 10 minutes. Once you turn the other one over, just leave it like that for another 10 minutes on medium temperature. Set it on medium, and voila, there it is, your chops. My dog's got her chops too. She's ready to eat. Looking at her nice meal over here. What do you say, huh? You like it? She's getting ready to eat. I guess she likes it. And then we'll save the leftovers for tomorrow.